Say New Holland combines. Did see one earlier on there, another farm, but we just arrived. It's still in the header trailer, so I thought I'd come over here first of all. Might go back there, see what's what. Today I'm with Ritchie, and it's a New Holland TX63 that's combining today. And the location, we're down near Gretna, just on the Scottish-English border, more or less. So I actually seen another combine which is just in another farm across the way. It still had the header on it, so, and they're waiting for someone coming. So I've decided to come and see Arthur first of all, and I'll head away somewhere else. Seems to be quite a lot going on today. I'll surely find something else to film. So to my right we'll have the wheat, no not the wheat, the maize actually, that maybe get to film at some stage. And there's new wind turbines just in the background there. So it's all good at the moment. So far here we have Ritchie, agri-contractor there, that is New Holland T7030 with the trailer for the grain on the background there. So I'll just stay another couple of minutes, wait for him coming back, probably to unload. He should be, I don't think he's filling the hopper too full, so that he doesn't get stuck down there, because it's quite soft, I would imagine. So he made a break to my left here, and you can just see a wee bit of soft ground there. It's darker ground. So as I said, it's a TX63 New Holland on a 02 plate, 15 years of age. So it's most likely done a lot of work there. I'll just see him turning round and coming back up, and then I'll head away somewhere else. Should be lots to film today, hopefully anyway. A lot of these electric pilings here around this area. Just while I'm waiting for him coming back down that row, as you can see, we have the Solway Firth and beyond the barley field here. Then we're looking into Cumbria. Then we have the hills in the background there. It's a bit overcast over there, not so good, but you can sort of see them anyway. In there, and I'll head away again. I've already been on Facebook Live, so I don't know how that went. But it seemed to be okay, although I had was playing around and lots of different things on the screen there. No, I expect to be coming to unload, more than likely anyway. I missed the trailer anyway, so that's good. That's him pulling the lever to unload there. So he's on the phone, on a crane. So it's only around back at 12 o'clock, so whether it's fairly dry or what, I would imagine it'll need to be prop-corned this. I wouldn't think it'd be, or dried of course, it's certainly not dry enough to just tip and forget about to use later on in the year. Anyway, so he's obviously got two of these New Holland combines. Did see one earlier on there, another farm, but we just arrived. It's still in the header trailer, so I thought I'd come over here first of all. Might go back there, see what's what. just been talking to Arthur. He only cuts this one way coming back. He'll go down this bit of the hill here rather than try to come back up it. So, but whether he's going to cut that area out first or what, I don't know. But he'll probably come through that slack bit, then come back over here and go down the hill here. Because it's not that steep, but well, it maybe is steeper than I thought there when he's heading down the hill. Anyway, I'm waiting back to get that other combine that of Arthur's there.